What I'm doing is make a complaint.
A complaint about what? What's going on? Talk to me.
Okay. I live right there.
Which one?
Right there on 52 Drive.
With the garage open?
Yeah. No. Right next to that.
You say?
Yeah, right there. Look at my finger. It's right there.
Okay.
I live right there.
And that's?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
When I park my car in front of the car, anywhere, I have a citation for parking my car. Anywhere else instead of behind my house.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So it's time for them to pay the price.
And who are you referring to?
Anyone, they don't pay their own due to the respect of the city. As you, as a officer to the city, to Volusia County, should respect that law.
Okay. I'm following you.
They always should park their car in the grass behind their house.
Okay.
Right there. You see where this house belongs to? Right there in the corner? Right behind it. That's where they should park their car. Not across the street.
So why not just call us instead of?
I did call up, but I knocked on them and said that don't belong there. That's
so
it.
wait a minute. But that's not just.
That is
that's
proper. It is my right.
Listen.
It is my right. I don't care what you say. It is my right. As a citizen, it is my right.
So that's your right to tell somebody where they're supposed to park at?
Yeah, because they don't belong there. That is not their property.
Right, but
they was across the street.
But are you
their property?
But if they're parked right there,
I know them.
If they park right there, are you gonna be the one to write them a citation for parking?
I will.
There? How?
Because I will call you to write them a citation.
So why not just call us?
I did.
Why not just call us and tell us about this?
I did, bro.
Okay.
I did. They called you after. I did call you for a citation. I did call you.
Okay. I just think you're probably going about it the wrong way.
I probably will. If I am, then you let me know.
I am.
If I'm wrong, let me know. I will go home and I will shut down and take a shower and go to sleep.
Yeah, if you see somebody illegally parked, just call us.
But
don't take it upon you. Don't take it upon yourself.
But I'm tired of it.
I get it.
We have what they call a community.
Right. But don't take it upon yourself to go start confronting people about where to park at. If you feel somebody is parking illegally, just give us a call and then let us deal with it. Then that way you can stay out of it. Okay?
Okay. Bump up.
Okay? Can we agree to that?
Next time.
Okay.
I will do that. I will not call and I will confront none.
Yeah.
But I will call Sheriff Department and I will let them know.
That's what we're here for.
Yes. Okay, my bad.
So I think my partner may have something he wanted to discuss with you about.
Go ahead. These are my two phones I didn't have yours.
Yeah, you're good, man. Look, I found your ID. You don't even have to worry about it, okay? So, what's say parking situations addressed?
Parking situations, they will park in other people's grass.
Yeah, I got you, man.
And who you going to call?
I'm going to call Sheriff.
All right, there we go. That's what I'm talking about.
So let's say we go back home now,
Let's go to your property. Go home to yours.
Go home, get out of this hot sun, all right, buddy?
Yeah, I will. I'll be like 2 blocks away. You can see me walk home.
Yeah, no, I got you, man. Yeah, you live just right here.
I'm done. I'm done with this. People speeding up this right-way.
Hey, if you got problems with speeders,
it's 35. It's even 20. This is a residential home. And they speed up just to come here and drive in.
I got you, man.
Well, I'm done with that.
Well, hey, next time you see some people speeding, give us a call.
Call us.
I will.
That's what we're here for.
I will. Hey, I'm done with that. I'm done with that.
All right, so go ahead, head home for me, okay?
With y'all. If you look at my record, I do have a lot of trouble with you.
That's okay.
And that's fine.
What I'm saying.
I don't judge you based on that. Look, we're having a completely friendly encounter.
You have respectful. You're respectful. You have your little tags.
Yeah.
I got mine.
Yeah, we got the tattoo.
And at the end, you for the law.
Of course.
So
but let's get off these people's property.
I'm going
let's get you back to your house.
I'm going. You come here and talk to me.
Okay.
You come to my property and talk to me all day.
Well, we pretty much have talked about everything we need to, but I know where you're at, so now.
Yeah, this one and that one always violate all parking laws.
Can I get a phone number for you? So that way if you call in the future, I know who's calling.
All parking laws, I'm done with that. I got tickets and I pay fines before parking laws. So it's time they do. I'm not friends with them. I don't know them.
It's a good phone number.
So I'm gonna go make contact with them.
Go ahead.
So we let him know not to be trying to enforce any kind of laws for him to just contact us. Now, did he like do anything like to cause
I
you?
never saw him before.
Okay.
I never saw him, and they said, "Well, you open the door." I said, "Because sometimes my neighbor come to see if they left some mail or something, because sometimes they put the wrong mail."
Okay.
And I said, "That's what I opened it because I never seen him before."
Okay. Yeah, we ran this information. He lives like right over there. So he lives here. I guess he's trying to enforce parking laws here. So I told him like that's completely out of his place. So hopefully you guys won't have any other problems with him. We made it clear that if he feels someone is doing something illegal, that he needs to contact us and not be trying to make any kind of contact with you all, okay?
I know.
If you come back over here, feel free to, you can file like trespassing charges, if anything, if you don't want him coming up on your property. So, you have any questions for
They got
us?
scared. They came in because
I'm pretty sure that was-
the solar panel.
Yeah.
So she got scared. She was like,
That would mess anyone up.
yes.
Yes, ma'am. But yeah, so we're
I
going,
said,
we're
they
going,
never knock on my, nobody knocked on my door besides them or the other neighbors, but that's it. That's it.
yes, ma'am.
We don't hear nothing here. I said, this is very quiet here. And nothing even. I said, what the heck?
Yes, ma'am. Well, we're going to make sure we get him off your property.
Okay.
Okay? All right, so let's get you off their property, okay?
I will.
All right,
I will
let's
get
get
off
off.
their property. Their property means nothing to me. They renting.
That's
I
good.
own mine.
That's good. I'm proud of you.
Yeah. I
So
own mine.
just remember what we said, okay? If you have any kind of issues,
I will call.
call us, okay?
I will.
But please don't go to anybody's
I
houses,
will.
okay?
All I asked them was to move their car.
So as a man, I got your word.
Yes, of
All right.
course.
What's going on, man? Where's your phone at?
You, I don't want to talk to you.
Okay. I am,
You want problems with me?
sir.
You want problems with me?
Going out for 47 Central.
10 years for you.
Sir, back up.
You want problems with me?
Sir,
I'm asking you. Call
Give
your
me another
camera
unit over here.
and call your camera and activate it.
same location where we had this,
Activate
this
it!
person.
Do you want
Sir.
problems with me? You are nothing.
What street
You
is
weigh
this?
175 and I will your bitch ass up. Stop. Stop and occurring to your what you need.
I was trying to help you find your phone.
You acted by my phone, but you acted real gangster
Sir.
about it.
Sir,
You acted real gangster about it. Please. Camera activated?
sir.
Camera activated? It's camera activated.
Yeah, it's activated.
Okay. Please, leave me alone.
I'm trying to. Just move from in front of my car.
I'm not in front of your car. You backed up to be in front of me.
Sir, I
You
was trying to help
backed
you
up
find
to
your
be in
phone.
front of me.
Go ahead. I'm getting ready to just get in my vehicle. You can
You
disregard.
backed up to be in front of me. So you want problems.
I'm code 4.
Stay right there, man.
It seems that you have problems with me.
Did you threaten this deputy?
I told him he had problems with me. Why
right.
he?
We're gonna secure you real quick.
Why?
In just a sec.
Why? You called the car. You called me. I made a complaint, and you arrest me.
No, no one's arresting you. We're
You're not arrested.
You can detain me. I have many batteries on y'all. Many batteries on y'all. I have nothing but complain about them putting their cars on one where I have to put my money.
I'm just trying to help the dude find his phone.
He want to act like he want to be shot. Champion Civil.
Relax. Come here. What happened?
I was right here. They put me back on my TAC. I'm getting ready to make my notes.
Where you at?
Right down there in front of the same house I was at.
Okay.
And I'm getting ready to put my notes in the system.
Okay.
And he come up there to the window, and he's like, I need my phones. And I'm like, dude, well, your phone's not on their property, so don't go back on their property. And he talking about some, what? I'm finna you up.
You?
Yeah.
He's telling you this?
Yes.
Okay. Dude, he's threatening you. What's up?
95.
We're good if you want to go 10-8. This dude threatened to beat him up. So.
Got some silver one?
Did he swing at you, or he was just by your door?
Nah, he started, I was about to tase him because he started trying to approach me.
Okay, so were you Come here.
See? Same thing.
Were you reasonably in fear that he was going to do something? Did it cause you to get
That's
your
why I
taser?
threw my taser. That's why I called for backup.
Yeah, bro, that's assault, bro. Why are you walking away from him?
then
Place
he-
him under arrest. Yeah. Hey, man. Hey. Calm down, or I'm going to have to put you in here, okay? You need to calm down, dude.
I'll put $100 in bond out.
You need to calm. You're talking to the wrong guy.
He's talking bond, and you protecting that.
You need to calm down.
Bro, he's talking that craziness. And he,
All I'm asking you is to calm down. That's all I'm
he's
asking.
talking craziness. I got a lot of hearing. Y'all don't want taking this elsewhere. Don't worry about it. Take it elsewhere. Take it elsewhere.
Is that all on BWC?
Yeah, I'm
Perfect. Fucking threatening him, and he's causing him to grab his taser and nothing. He's just driving away. I'm like, bro, where's the under arrest?
When I'm making a proper,
So he said that he was going to kick his ass.
proper,
All right,
Threatening all that.
that's what I'm saying. But let me call 90.
that also I will spread my feet. $100 I will get out. And I will sue all your sheriff. Because you and that one right there, that Norman brown skin.
Hey. Watch what you say, because this is going to turn really quick to hate speech. You better calm down.
He already hate me. So it was already a hate speech.
There's no need to call him the N-word.
It was already a hate speech.
There's no need to make fun of his,
It was
of his
already a
color
hate speech.
skin, man.
But it was
you
already.
basically are the same
Are you
color as
arresting
his.
me?
You're detained, and you're probably looking at charges right now.
For what?
For harassing, threatening a law enforcement
He
officer.
threatened me for hate speech.
Well, we have it on camera, right, my man?
I know.
And you reek of
Go ahead.
alcohol.
Reek of
You
alcohol?
reek of alcohol.
Yeah, I can drink. I'm 42.
Yeah, but you can't act disorderly on
I'm
a public
home.
road.
I'm home.
You were sure as hell weren't on road when we.
Because he act like he wanted to defend them.
Man, you need to be quiet, man.
Be quiet?
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
I'm speaking truth?
No, you need to be quiet because it's a bunch of nonsense.
Nonsense?
Yeah, nonsense.
Nonsense?
Yeah, I said
That
it,
is
nonsense.
ridiculous.
Yeah, well, that's how you're sounding.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because I made a complaint and he threatened me.
I don't know about that part, but it
Look
would be
at
on camera.
cameras.
Oh, fair enough. Well, look.
That's
at
it.
Yeah, okay. But you don't need to be saying other discriminating words and stuff.
I'm not discriminating.
Just call him
He
the N-word.
discriminated me.
Okay.
So you are discriminating. So you know what?
You are hallucinating.
Hallucinating?
Yeah, hallucinating.
You are.
Hallucinating.
You know what they call that?
What?
You are what they call think you above the law.
No.
Yeah.
Not above the law.
Or you in
I'm
that
subject to the law
sheriff.
just like you.
Sheriff. What is your name is? The sheriff, the one is above you?
Don't worry. They'll shout you out on Facebook.
No, I
You'll
know.
who he is.
You, yeah, I know who he is too, because you got no one in the morning. We'll get him. So stop with your
what?
bullshit.
You're hallucinating, man.
Hallucinating?
Yeah.
Stop acting like I'm hallucinating
Brother,
when I have
this-
nothing. We have nothing. I made a complaint.
Yeah,
I
but
made
you
a
can't be
complaint.
calling him the N-word and stuff.
N-word?
Yeah.
He called me a bitch.
Back a little bit.
I called him maybe.
Yes,
He
that's
just
right.
told me to back up and you acting like you tough.
Searching you.
He just told me to back up and you touching me like he's tough.
You're right.
Come on.
Yeah, you're all right. Well,
You act like you tough.
That alcohol
Please.
is starting to reek, bud.
Man, don't touch my
I don't
face.
want you spitting.
Don't touch my face.
Don't bite.
Don't touch
I don't
my
want you
face.
spitting on my face.
Don't touch my face. I ain't spitting on your face.
Bite.
When you want to touch my face.
Times two.
Resisting. These cameras be on. Ask. These cameras be on.
Get in. Get in, dude. Get in.
You get me in.
You kick me and it's gonna be
I
another
didn't
one.
touch anything.
You try to bite me, bro.
I didn't bite
start
you.
with your shit.
You pushed my face
Sit
in
up.
the car. You pushed my face in the car
Sit.
because you pushed
Sit.
my
Sit.
face
Or I'm
in
gonna
the car.
Sit, or I'm gonna use force. Sit, or I'm gonna
You
use
already using force. You used my face in the car about resisting arrest. About resisting arrest.
spitting on me.
Elbowed me in the face.
Headbutted you.
Yeah.
Elbowed me in the
Okay.
face.
You guys okay?
He was spitting on my face. I'm like, bro, stop spitting.
We tried to bite you anyway.
Yeah.